morning. Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
You all fine.
I am fine, thank you. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so happy to see your cute faces. So
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So once again, a warm good morning to all. So tell me, which subject ma'am is taking? Tell me, children, which subject ma'am is taking? Shweta, please unmute. Then Krishna Priya, you can please unmute. Maithili, unmute. Ritvik, unmute. Prarthana, please unmute. Aradi, unmute. Sandria, unmute. Sandria, please unmute. Yes. Tell me, which subject ma'am is taking for you?
Yes. Yes.
General studies, okay. How many of you like general studies? Please hands up. Okay, you have completed your exams by last week, and I know you all have done very good mark for your exams. Now, I think general studies, all of you forgot the lesson what we are learning. Then who can tell me the lesson what? Okay, Juan, Judy, tell me. You can unmute. What is the name of the lesson that we are learning now?
My body. Part of the body.
Oh, my body. Yes. Now you can mute yourself.
Part of the body.
Okay, okay.
My body.
Children, you can mute your device and sit. Please don't make noise.
Body parts.
So we are learning the parts of the body, and in our previous classes we have learned about the head is the uppermost part of our body, and there are many parts in our head. We have a face, hair, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, neck, cheeks, chin. There are many parts in our head. Our head is the uppermost part of the body. Now we have the middle part of the body. The middle part of our body, that is our trunk. That is trunk. Now, next we have learnt about limbs. Legs and arms are our limbs. Okay. Do you remember? Do you remember, children? Say yes or no. Do you remember all this? Tell me. You can mute your device and say. Tell me. You can mute your device. Please unmute.
Yes.
You can unmute. Palavika unmute. Juanita unmute.
Yes.
Unmute. Abel unmute. Abelette unmute. Prarthana unmute. Prarthana unmute. Yes, we have learned different parts in our body. And let me tell you, children, this is very, very important to keep our body parts always clean and neat. Take a bath. You have to listen to ma'am, what ma'am is saying, and do it. Take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Marin, unmute. Twice in a day. Daniel, sit down there. Sit down. Brush your teeth. How many times you can brush your teeth, children? Twice. Twice. Twice in a day.
2 times.
2 times in a brush your teeth. 2 times in a day. Once in the morning, and you have to brush your teeth before go to the bed. Now, wash your hands with soap and water thoroughly. Wash your hands with soap and water thoroughly. And cut or trim your nails regularly. Otherwise, what will happen? All the dirt and germs will stuck in your nails, and that nails and fingers you put it in your mouth, and all those germs will get inside your body, and you may fall sick. So you have to cut your nails. If your nails are too long or too big, tell your mummy today, now itself, you have to tell your mummy to cut your nails. You have to trim the nails. Okay. That is very, very important. And do not forget to wash your face always with soap and water. And comb your hair regularly. Wash and comb your hair regularly. Now, let me ask something, children. Children, tell me, what is the deadly virus that is spreading now? What is the name of the deadly virus that is spreading?
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Oh, that is the only reason. That is the one and only reason we all stuck in our home, and we can't. We are unable to meet together. You can't meet your friends, teachers. We cannot meet our children. So what we have to do? We have to fight against this coronavirus. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we fight to kill the virus?
Yes, ma'am.
How? But how? How can we
Wash
kill the
your
virus?
Wash
Oh.
hands.
Will you please listen? Mute your device and listen what ma'am is saying. You have to wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Use, if water is not available, you can use your hand sanitizers. You can use your hand sanitizers. And wear a mask. Wear a mask. Masks are not scary, but sometimes some people, they don't want to wear the mask. But when we go outside, we have to wear a mask. Will you do it, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. You have to wear a mask. When you cough or sneeze, use a handkerchief. Okay? And most very, very important thing, are we supposed to eat junk food or we have to eat healthy food?
Healthy food.
Healthy food. We need to drink a lot of water every day. And 1 glass of milk you must drink every day. Keep yourself, your body very healthy. Okay, eat lot of vegetables and fruits every day. Eat lot of, who is talking? Evelette, your audio is not muted. Please check it. So, listen children, you have to eat healthy. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Noodles, pizza, burger, and all the chips items, Lay's. Oh, that all are bad food. Do not eat it. Okay? We have to eat good food and drink milk every day. Eat egg every day. And eat your cereals, your pulses. Okay. So we can fight against this coronavirus. If you are healthy, if you and me, we all are healthy, this coronavirus will say, oh, I don't want to stuck in this person. Oh, this body, this person is so healthy. Oh, I'm good. I'm going. Tata, bye-bye. we have to throw the coronavirus. Am I right? Will you be with me? Will you eat healthy food? Yes, yes. Come on, give me a thumbs up. Okay. And when your mommy comes with the milk or fruits or vegetables, some children, I'm not saying everyone, some children, they will say, oh, I don't want this food. Mommy, I don't want to drink milk. I don't like fruits. I don't like this vegetable. Oh, okay. Don't say next time. You have to eat healthy. Eat healthy. Okay. I love you all. Do you like me?
Yes.
Then you will definitely listen what ma'am is saying. Come, come. Give me your chubby cheeks. Can I have a touch? Your ma'am is coming closer to you. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, someone not coming. Come, 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 come. Come closer to me. Yes, got it. Mwah. Love you all. So what ma'am is saying, you have to eat healthy and follow some good habits, good cleaning habits every day. Now, let me tell you children, there are some people around us. Sometimes they may feel very difficulty in walking. Some old people, you may have grandparents in your home. Am I right? If they ask any help to you, can you say, oh, I'm not going to help you? This is the way you can say? No, don't say like that. If your parents ask you to take something, you have to help your parents. And especially your grandparents, sometimes they may find it very difficulty in walking, hearing and seeing properly the things. You have to help others. Will you do it, children? Will you do it? Will you help others? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Yes. So some people around us cannot walk properly, cannot hear, cannot see. So we have to, a part of their body does not work well. A part of their body does not work well. So we are the people, we are the person supposed to help this kind of people. Will you help others? From today onwards, will you help others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, here we have to follow some good habits, some good eating habits. Now, children, and we have learned some body parts, how it helps us. Okay, our hair, all of you touch your hair. This is my hair, this is my hair, I like my hair, I like my hair. Okay, hair, how the hair protect ourselves, children? Hair keeps our head warm. Hair keeps our head warm. And can you tell me which part of your body help you to see the world? To see. You can unmute and say. Everybody, please unmute. Maithili, you can unmute. Vanya, unmute. Which part of our body help us to see? Eyes. Which part of our body help us to see? Andrea, unmute. Eyes help us to see. Which part of our body help us to see, Aradi?
See with my eyes.
I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I taste with my tongue. I hear with my ears. Okay, now tell me, mouth. How does the mouth help us, children? How? Mouth help us to eat and speak. Speak. And which part of your body help you to bite the food? Bite. Teeth. Chew the food. Chew. 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 All of you chew. Chew. Show me that. Teeth help us to bite and chew. Teeth help us to bite and chew. And which part of the body help us to smell?
Nose.
Nose. Okay. Now, what is this, children? This is our neck. Neck joins our head and the trunk. Our neck joins head and the trunk. Listen, these are my hands. I have two hands. These are my hands. I like my hands. These are my hands. Can you show me your hands? These are my hands. Okay. Hands help us to. And tell me how the hands help us. Hands help us to hold. My hands help me to hold my book. Everybody take your book in your hand. Hands help us to hold the things. Sarah, your audio is not muted. Sarah, you can please mute your device, Sarah? Our hands help us to. Rishan, unmute.
Yes,
Hands. Okay. Hands help us to hold the things, and at the same time, the hands help us to eat and write. Now we are going to write. Our hands help us to eat, hold the things, and write. And you know one thing, children, leg. Now I'm talking about our leg. How many legs do you have?
Two.
Legs help us to walk.
Walk.
Legs help us to run. Run. Legs help us to jump. Everybody, can you jump 1 second? Please stand up and jump. I'm also ready to do with you. Can we jump together? Yes. Come on, let us jump. Okay, we can jump with our leg. Everybody jump, jump, jump. So cute. Thank you all. You can sit down. Sit, 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 sit. Sit, baby, sit. Okay. Are you okay? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Our legs help us to walk, run, run, and jump. Now, can you show me your nails? Nail. Oh, do you know, children? Nails protect the tip of our fingers. Nails protect the tip of our fingers. Protect the tip of our fingers. Okay.
Nail polish.
Oh, nail polish. Okay. Now, I want my children to open your workbook. Can you please take page number 11? Take page number 11. Hold your book in your hand and show me your workbook. GS workbook. Take out your general studies workbook. Open the book and take the page number 11. Open the book and take the page number 11. Thank you. So, shall we do our workbook exercises? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, take out your pencil and show me. Pencil. Take out your pencil. Take out your pencil.
I'm taken.
Now, let us do our workbook exercises.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, before that, I want to get again a cute smile from everybody. Can you give me? Can you smile? Some are sitting so seriously in Faisal Ma'am's class. Why? Why you guys are so seriously sitting? Okay, relax and cool. Okay. Come. Smile. Once again, smile. Austin and Dodio, very serious fellow. Austin, please smile. Henry. Okay, love you. Like you all. Come on, let's write the workbook exercises. Come. Can you see the board? I hope you can see the board clearly. Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Here is the first question. multiple choice questions. You can look into your workbook. Number 1, the three main parts of our body are. The three main parts of our body are trunk, option A, trunk, arms and legs.
Trunk.
Option B, let me read out the options, please listen. Head, trunk and limbs. Option C, face, hair and forehead. Option D, shoulder, chest and stomach. So, which is the correct answer? I want someone, I think Adel Ann can say the answer. Adel, please unmute. Adel Ann, okay, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adel, give me the answer. The three main parts of our body. Which is the correct option? Option A, trunk, arms and legs. Option B, the three main parts of our body, head, trunk and limbs. Is there anyone ready to say the answer? Prarthana, can you say the answer?
B.
Sandria, can you say? Yes, Sandria, tell me. Unmute, Sandria. Sandria, unmute. Now,
Ma'am.
yes, give me the answer. What are the three main parts of our body?
Option B.
Option B. Can you read option B?
Head,
Yes.
trunk,
Trunk.
and
And limbs. Limbs. Adel and read the answer. Adel.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sandria, once again, you please repeat the answer. The three main parts of our body. Sandria.
Head.
Head. Yes. Trunk. Trunk. Sandria, repeat. Trunk. Trunk. And limbs. Repeat after me. Limbs.
Limb.
Okay, now I'll call someone else to. Mohammed Rishan. Rishan, please unmute. Rishan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer, Rishan. The three main parts of our body. What is the answer?
Head,
Trunk.
trunk, and limbs.
Okay. What is the option? Which option we are supposed to write in that bracket?
B.
B. Very good. Thank you, Rishan. Children, everybody can write option B. Option B in the bracket. Take your pencil and write option B in the bracket. Now, I want Maithili to repeat the same answer. Maithili, you can unmute. Maithili, please unmute. Yes, Maithili, once again, you say the answer. The three main parts of our body. The three main parts of our body. Head. Head. Trunk. Very good. And
Limbs.
limbs. Thank you. Thank you, Maithili. Then I want Juan Judy to answer. Juan, you can unmute. Head, trunk, limbs. Thank you. Now, Henry Baiju, you can unmute. Henry, give me the answer, the same answer. The three main parts of our body. The three main parts of our body
Part of our body.
are, what is the answer? Head, head, trunk,
And
limbs.
limbs.
Thank you. Now, we are moving to the next question. Which of these is not a part of the arm? We all know that the different parts of our arm. Everybody, please listen. the different parts of our arm, we all know. Our arms have, what is this, children?
Elbow.
Elbow. Our arms have elbow. Then, what is this, children?
Wrist.
Wrist. Then, what is this, children?
Hand.
Hands. Very good. What is this, children?
Finger.
Fingers. Then, what is this, children?
Nail.
Nail. Very good. Now, look at the picture. Here is the question. Which of these is not a part? Not a part. Now look at the board. Look at the question. Which of these is not a part of the arm? Not a part of the arm. I will read out the options. Knee, fingers, wrist, hand. Okay, Junaita, you can say the answer. Junaita, unmute. Junaita, you can unmute. What is the answer? Knee. Very good. Very good. You can write option A. Everybody write option A. You can write option A.
A.
Can we move to the next question? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Here is the question. Fill in the blanks using the correct words from the brackets. Dash is the middle. Question number 3. Everybody keep your finger there. Now we are reading question number 3. Question number 3. Dash is the middle part of the body. Options: head, trunk, head, trunk. Who will give me the answer? Ritik. Can you give me the answer, Ritik?
Trunk. Trunk.
Ritik, what is the answer? The middle part of the body?
Trunk.
Trunk. Ritik, can you show me your trunk? Your trunk? Show me your trunk. Okay, okay, thank you. Thank you. That was so cute. Sarah? Sarah, what is the answer, Sarah? Dash is the middle part of the body.
Trunk.
Trunk. Sarah, can you spell the word trunk? Spell it.
T-R-U-N-K.
Thank you, thank you. Now, everybody look at the board and write the spelling. Write the spelling.
T-R-U-N.
1 minute. T. T. One minute. What happened? 1 minute. Please wait. Please wait. Board is coming. Please wait. 1 minute. Can you see the board, children?
No.
Wait, wait, wait. I'll share this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So, here we have the next question. Dash is the middle part of the body. Everybody write the answer. Trunk. T R U N K. Look at the board and write the correct spelling. Austin, have you completed, children? Have you all completed? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can we move to the next question? Number
Yes,
4.
ma'am.
Dash are our arms and legs. Dash are our arms and legs. Options: trunk, limbs. Tirtha, please unmute. Tirtha,
Limb.
please unmute. Please
Limb.
unmute.
Yes.
Okay. Tirtha, give me the answer. Dash are our arms and legs. Trunk or limbs? What is the correct answer?
Limb.
Limbs. Can you spell the word limbs, children? Can you spell the word limbs?
Then
L, I. Say and write, everybody. Everybody say and write. L, I,
M
M, B.
B S.
Yes, limbs. L, I, M, B, S.
S.
I hope you
Limbs.
have completed. Aradi, have you completed? Children, do one thing. Please keep your book in front of the camera and show me. And I just wanted to check whether you are writing or not. Please, everybody. Wow, very beautiful hand. Okay, good. Now, can we move to the next question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5. Take number 5. Keep your finger there. The very short answer questions. Name any one part of the head. Any one part of the head. We all know that the head is the uppermost part of the body. The head has a face, has a hair, then nose, eyes, ears, then neck, cheeks. Aridi, can you say the name of any one part of our head? Any one. There are many. Can you tell me, Aridi? Unmute. Aridi, please unmute. You can unmute, please.
Forehead.
Forehead. Good one. Now, I want something else. Krishna Priya, please unmute. Unmute, baby. Krishna Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you can tell me any part of our head. Any part from our head. Anything. There are many. Eyes. Very good. Thank you. Now, the next person, Dhruva Prashant. Dhruva, please unmute. Dhruva, can you tell me any one part of our head? No. Very good. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Manav, please unmute. Manav, can you tell me any one part of our head? Any one part? Ear. Good one. Ivania, please unmute. Ivania Brito, please unmute. And tell me any one part of our head.
Cheeks.
Cheeks. Thank you all. Thank you very much for your answers. Now, here ma'am is going to write eyes. You can look at the board and write eyes. The spelling of eyes. E, Y, E, S. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Now, look at the next picture. Question number 6. Name the part of the body circled in the picture. The part of the body circled in the picture. What is that part? Now I want answer from
Elbow.
Who is the Siju Topil? Is that your name, baby?
Elbow.
No. 1 minute. Who is the Siju Topil joint? Who is that? What is your name? What's your name, baby? Who is a joint with the Siju Topil? Who is that? Please rename. Okay, now Karthik, tell me. Karthik, you can unmute. Karthik, you can unmute.
W.
Yes. Karthik. Karthik, tell me. the name the part of the body circled in the picture. What is that part of the body circled in the picture? Elbow. Elbow. Say everybody. Elbow. Adam Joe. Elbow. Can you show me your elbow? All my little ones, please show me your elbow. 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 Adam Joe, what is that?
Elbow.
Elbow. Thank you. Now write the spelling. E L B O W. Somebody's parent is talking. Please keep your device mute. Please mute your device. So I want someone should repeat the spelling. Adam Joe, can you spell the word elbow? Adam?
E
L
B O W.
B O W. Anna Catherine, can you spell the word elbow? Anna, spell the word elbow. E
E
L B
O W.
W.
Elbow.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So we can continue our workbook exercises in our next class. We will meet by next Thursday. Okay, after 1 week. Once in a week only. Your ma'am is coming. Okay, I love you all. Take care. Today's our time is over. That's all for today. Can we say bye-bye? Bye-bye. No,
Bye, bye,
before wind up the class, I want to get a cute smile. After that, only I will wind up the class. Come, 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 come. So cute, so cute. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You all look so cute. And don't forget to write and study the difficult words. Will you do it? And eat healthy food. Cleaning habits. Don't forget it. We have to fight against the deadly virus corona. We will do it. Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Bye-bye. That's all for today. Bye-bye. Love you. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.